whatever you do, you get paid. And whatever's left over, you get paid. And whatever's left over, you will spend. You can spend. Get it? So 1, 2, 3 in that order. But if you were a 1099, which I'm going to make you today, the government says that you get to earn money. So that's no different there. But here's what separates the rich from the poor. The government says you get to spend all of that money, and whatever you don't spend, we'll tax you on. These two is what makes the difference between the rich and the poor. So, if a guy makes $100,000 a year as, let's say, a school teacher, and he's in California, and he's on a 35% tax bracket, right? $350 is gone off the top. So now he's left, so I'll minus the $350. Okay, I'll put that to the side here. He's left with $650, am I correct?
Yes.
Now, did he pay his taxes, Alexis?
Yes.
Ain't that great? He's a great American citizen. He paid his taxes. He's very patriotic. He's big on paying his taxes. Ready? But when he gets his $650, he's already paid taxes, right?
Yeah.
Then why is it when he pumps gas, there's fuel taxes? On the $650, they're going to get him at the fuel pump. He's going to stop and buy some toilet paper at Walgreens or at Target, right? He's going to buy toiletries. He's going to buy whatever, right? And he's going to pay sales taxes. But he already paid taxes, you told me.
Right.
He gets home and he's going to pay his bills with the money that he got left over, right?
Yeah.
And he has to pay utility taxes. Did you look at your back of your utility bill? Okay? But you have to pay utility taxes. Yeah, when you pay your phone bill, your Wi-Fi bill, your cable TV, there's utility taxes. But I thought they taxed him already.
Right.
So we're just getting started. He pays his mortgage. Don't he have to pay property taxes?
Yeah.
I don't understand that. I thought he paid taxes already. I'm a little confused.
Right.
Right.
You see where I'm going with this?
Yeah.
Look, you start saving money because the government wants you to save money and take care of yourself. That's a lie. You pay capital gain taxes. When you start saving money, you gain some on your 401k, guess what? Capital gain taxes. Oh, you think you're going to die for free? No, there's estate taxes. You can't even die for free. They used to call it death tax, but it don't sound right. It's called estate taxes. You know why the rich get a better situation? Because the 1099er makes the same $100,000. But the law says he gets to spend it. So he spends $90,000 and keeps good records. He only profits $10,000, which puts him in a lower tax bracket. So he's paying 27% because he's making so little money. He qualifies for welfare, Section 8, food stamps, government cheese, because he's only making $10,000 after he spends everything out.
Right.
You know, but how does he pay a cell phone bill? He puts the cell phone under the company's name. He eats lunch with his wife every day, but she's also in Primerica. So every lunch is a write-off. See that? Everything that you're doing, he's doing. But he's doing it with a corporate credit card, not a personal credit card.
Wow.
You see how the rich get richer?
Yeah.
When it's all said and done over here, you're paying somewhere between 40 to 50% in taxes. The average American works till May 15th before they actually make a profit. Because January, February, March, and half of May, all goes to your taxes. Did you know that?
No, I didn't.
Well, look at your paycheck. It's right there. It's in your paycheck. Oh, dang. So tomorrow you go to work, half the day is going to the government. You know you clocked in at 8 o'clock, you don't start making profit until about 11. But the business owner, he gets to make 100, spend as much as he wants, just keep good records, make sure it's a business expense, left with $10,000, and he gets taxed on a lower tax bracket. So he's paying $2,700 in taxes. And that's state, and sometimes you pay no federal. I paid $14,000 last year in state taxes and 0 in federal taxes. because I live in California. And Rick Susan keep going, I don't know why you don't move there to Atlanta. Atlanta's 3%, California's 14%. Move to Vegas, it's free.